Hi, Aaron here from Prof. Pinoy Pixel. I just want to show you the another options for the quick rig here in Autodesk Maya. So basically, last time that we've discussed is uh, the one-click function, which is if we click the auto rig, so Maya automates all the stages of rigging like geometry, guides, user adjustment, skeleton, and skinning. So all of these will automate the Maya and it will apply to the character. So that is the option 1, the one click procedure. But in this time, I will show you the step by step process. Okay? So we have here character. Just click the add icon, so it creates a new character. You see, the rigging information appears on the right panel. So also these stages in the rigging enables you here to adjust the setting. Okay, so in the first stage we have your geometry. If we click the add selected meshes, so basically I want this to detect by the Maya. So click the add. In the guides, so we have I prefer to use the default setting, which is imperfect mesh for the embed method, and the resolution is 256. You can adjust it based on your preferred setup. So if I click the create and update, what does it means? So you see different nodes or dots appear here. Okay, so it pertains the joint in the character. So every dots or points you see here is the joint in the rigging procedure. Basically, you can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust it using geometric transformation. Now, the interesting part in this lesson is what you have done or what you do here in the right side of your character. Basically it we can mirror it on the left part. So here in user adjustment of guides, you see i I change or I adjust the joint in the right side. That's why I will mirror it to the left. So highlight the character, go to the second icon here. So you selected guides as source of mirroring right to the left. So if we click this, so let me just zoom our character. If I click this, you see all of the information you see in the right, it copies to the left part of the character. So vice versa, if we uh, adjust the joints on the left side and we want to copy it to the left, so we need to click the first icon. So I prefer to adjust it on the left side, or sorry, or on the right side. Okay, highlight and click. So after this, so we have stage 4, the skeleton and rig generation. So once we click, it automatically creates the bone. Okay, so basically if we move the skeleton, the character or the skin of the character will not follow, because we have here the final stage, the skinning. So we will bind the character on the skeleton that we generate. So if we click the create and update here in skinning, you see, we can now change the actual pose, actual gesture of the 3D human character that we place here in our grid. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Aaron here from Prof Pinoy Pixel.